Hello everyone, I'm Miguel Dimano. So right now, nandito tayo sa Mega World Capital Town, Pampanga. So pakikita ko lang sa inyo yung update ng area natin and a quick view dun sa mga property. So if you have any concern, any question about sa Capital Town, Pampanga, give me a call and I will give you an update via online or on-site presentation. See you around! Hello, so medyo maiksi lang talaga yung video natin. So, if you have anything to ask, meron naman tayo mga video dun sa mismong page ko po. Please like and subscribe na lang din. And my lines is always open naman. So, if you have anything to ask, anything na gusto niyo pong tanong, message lang po kayo. By the way, I'm Miguel Dimano and thank you so much.